It is not terrible. I would say
you guys are great at a lot of things, but food is not one of them.
You guys are going to be on a YouTube channel. I like your glasses.
Oh, thank you. They're Prada.
Welcome to Orlando, Florida. A place where we're going to walk, explore, and talk so you could learn real English phrases by having a lot of fun. And you will not learn words, you will actually learn phrases. Because separately, those words might have one meaning, but when you create phrases, they might have completely different meaning. Now, let's get started. There are so many places in a Disneyland to visit, but before we hit any one of them, I would like to get some water. And there is actually a place right here. And I would love to show you these prices. Looks like the bottle of water cost $4.25. I think that's what I need because I'm so thirsty. This looks pretty cold. Actually, it's not too cold. I can get it. Hi there. Can I pay for the water? How's your day going so far?
Good, how are you?
Amazing, it's hot. Did it work? Awesome. No, thank you. Have a good one. Today, I've decided to walk alone, but I think you guys will enjoy it because we can meet so many more people when we're alone. And I know a lot of you guys are very shy because of your English or not only. And you don't really feel comfortable coming to other people and asking them random questions. But we will practice that together today. Go! I can throw that away. I can throw that away. Majority of people who are coming here, they're coming with their families and kids, as I guess Disneyland is not a place for adults just like me, although we will still have a lot of fun here. Let me tell you something about today's walk. We're going to walk through an EPCOT park in a Disneyland, and we're going to walk through many pavilions, and each of them is pretty much coming from a different country, just like this one right here. We're going to Canada, and then we're gonna go to Morocco and China and Mexico and France and Italy and somewhere else. But first of all, we are coming to Canada right here. And this is what Canada looks like, I guess. You guys tell me, does it really look like Canada? Very suspicious, Canada, but let's take a look at it. There's a young man right behind me who's also visiting Canada. It might be just an American version of Canada in a Disneyland, but I think we should have some people who's going to be watching this video who could tell us if this, honestly speaking, looks like Canada.
Sticks have to be reclined in.
Selfie sticks have to be reclined, just like this.
Yep.
Awesome, thank you so much. Now I'm gonna stretch out my hand and walk like this so you guys could see what's happening here. I'm traveling a lot and I'm about to choose the next country to travel to after the United States. And I want you guys all to drop a comment below where you want me to travel to. And after, we're gonna get first 100 comments right below this video. I will select the country and I will invite you guys from that country to travel with me on that particular episode. This definitely looks like Canada. I've heard Canada has a lot of waterfalls and a lot of wild animals right below the waterfall. And let me tell you something about rules. Rules exist so we would break them. If you think of our politicians, they create rules for us to follow. I do follow majority of rules which were created for people, which were created for a reason. But I think not being able to expand your selfie stick is not a critical rule that will hurt anyone. So I'm going to expand it so you guys could see me and this waterfall. All right, let's go to Canadian Far Wide. Not sure what that is. Oh, I guess it's some show. Nah, not interested. There would be dark. I don't want you guys to sit in the darkness. So I'm going to walk up the stairs and walk to the next country. We're going to expand our selfie stick again, as there is no security here yet. Every time someone will ask us, we will hide it again. But for now, we should be good to walk. All right, I wonder what's going to be the next one. But before we get to the next one, I gotta get a coffee, because I need more energy today. Yesterday, I've worked for 16 hours straight from 6 a.m. from 5 a.m. actually. Good morning or good afternoon.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Can I get Americano?
Absolutely.
Let's do a small Americano with a little bit of soy milk, a little bit of sugar.
We do not have soy milk, unfortunately. We can do almond or oat if you're looking.
Almond or oat. Let's do almond milk. Let's add a little bit of ice to it, so that'll be not full of ice, but like half full of ice.
Light ice.
Yeah, let's do light.
Absolutely.
Light iced Americano. And is this everything you have in terms of pastry?
Yes, everything we have is out.
That looks too sweet. What's the least sweet here? What's the least sweet here? Cherry Danish. All right, let's get a cherry Danish. Let's do that one. I don't know why, but in the United States, it feels a little bit different in terms of talking to people. A lot of people from all over the world, by the way, there's a squirrel right here. It's right behind me. She's enjoying her life. I was gonna say that in the United States, right here. Americano almond milk, thank you. Where are you from? Venezuela, nice. We have a lot of viewers from Venezuela. Thank you. Now, I'm going to stick this straw into a cup and enjoy my coffee. Thanks a lot, have a good one. All right, let's have a sit somewhere, probably on a bench. Oh, you cannot even walk here. Interesting. I guess they don't want people to sit next to the river, next to the lake, because this is a lake. It's not a river. A river is a place where the water flows. In the lake, it doesn't flow. It just stays in one place. Let me take a sip. Just like sip and coffee on this video, talking about Europe and the United States. When I was in Europe, for some reason, it felt so much easier and closer to talk to people than in the US. Even though in the US, everyone's like, hey, ha, but you all know that story, right? That in the US, people like small talk a lot. And in Europe, it's more of the community. And after I came back from Europe, after I spent a whole summer and then I went there one more time, I've realized the difference. I've literally felt the difference. Here, you can chat with people, it's awesome, I love Americans, but it doesn't feel as close. Everyone has their own privacy, they're far away from you. And in Europe, it's very much like everyone wants to hug you as soon as they meet you. That's the feeling that I'm facing when I'm in Europe. You guys let me know in the comments below if you have ever felt the same way. And meanwhile, I'm gonna get my coffee and eat this donut. All right, let's head out. And if you have noticed, I do have ears. I do have an extra pair of ears on my head. And these are Mickey Mouse ears. Not a Minnie Mouse, but the Mickey Mouse. And the difference is, and by the way, I feel like I'm in a different country right now. It looks like Ireland or something. Interesting. Excuse me, lady, what country is it?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom, thank you. And where are you from?
I'm from Pittsburgh.
From Pittsburgh, oh, that's cool. So this is the United Kingdom. That makes sense, because I just said it was in Ireland, which is a part of the United Kingdom, so I got it. What? Based on the architecture, based on the styles, based on the amount of beer in the bars, I could say it's a United Kingdom or Great Britain. Holy guacamole! Did you see Harry Potter? I'm going to show you something.
Oh, berries! Don't eat them, sir. They're poisonous. Who's with him? Are you with him, ma'am? Please watch him. He's scared. United Kingdom is so proud of all of its countries, Northern Ireland, England, Scotland, and Wales, and each have their own traditions that they hold dear to today.
I don't know who that guy is, but I hope you have enjoyed it because we are going to go or move to the next country after the Great Britain or after the United Kingdom. These people are taking pictures. Do you guys want me to take a picture of you?
Oh, no, thank you.
You're good? Sounds good. Ain't gonna bother them again. We are heading to the next country on our list. And I think you know what that is going to be based on that tower right there. It's kind of interesting because I've recently gone to Paris. I'm not sure if you've seen this video right here, but we're going to visit American version of Paris. Florida is quite beautiful, and even all of these fake versions of countries are still kind of cool to see in Florida while it's warm. Pretty much now, while it's winter in Paris and in Great Britain or United Kingdom, we are in Florida attending these countries, and I'm in a t-shirt. It's warm outside. It's about 23 or 24 Celsius. In fact, this does look like a France. And someone even said, oui, which means yes in French, right? Please, no stroller parking. Probably that's what they meant, right? There is a line to take a picture with that lady. Excuse me, guys, what is this line for?
Oh, for a bell.
Photograph, yeah.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Thank you. Oh, there is a zip line right there. They can take you from one side of the river to the other side. I can hear French music. I can see French architecture. And I can hear a French accent coming from that guy right there. That's quite interesting. So they did hire French person to work in a French district or French pavilion of this French country in Orlando, Florida, in a Disneyland. Let's see, what is this single rides? Let me ask these guys. Excuse me, sir. What kind of rides are here?
It's a slow ride about Ratatouille, so you follow Remy the rat all around Paris. You are on trackless vehicles, and yeah, you have some screens, some sets, and you can follow Remy through his adventure.
Awesome. I assume you're from France, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. It was easy to guess. Thank you.
And
Howdy. And you're French too, right?
Yes, from Paris.
From Paris.
Live
I
from
just
Paris.
came back from Paris last week.
Chat?
No, it's not live, but you guys are going to be on a YouTube channel.
Okay, amazing.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called Sergii Speaks. I'm traveling all over the world and teaching people how to speak English while I'm traveling and having fun.
Okay.
Pretty much English vlog.
Okay, what do you think of for English? Is it good enough?
It's amazing
Okay.
to show to those people.
It's not our first language.
They're going to love it. What's your first language?
My first language is French, because I'm from France.
That makes absolute sense. So you were
Right.
born in Paris, right?
Yes. I mean, I was born in the south of France, but I live in Paris.
You grew up in Paris. That makes sense.
Yes.
And when did you guys move to United States?
Yeah. I arrived in January.
You've just arrived in January.
Yes.
Your English is amazing.
Thank you.
What I know is in France, they usually don't, in the past, they did not speak English. I mean, they didn't want to
Yeah.
because of the relationships between England and France, right?
Yeah, I would say it's very common in Europe to just learn like another language,
Yeah.
whether it's English or like Spanish or something else. Yes.
Yeah.
It was about education first, like the school was not prioritizing new language as now, and our generations get better in English because we get better at school and we have internet. Internet is in English, so we have to learn now.
There's no other way, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. Do you learn any languages in high school in France? And what is the choice if you have?
Yeah, we have English as a first foreign language
Yeah.
to learn, and then we can choose from between Spanish and German usually.
Yeah.
But you cannot choose something else aside of English. You have to learn English
Yeah.
plus something on the top.
That's, yeah, like the top
Yeah,
priority.
English is
I like your glasses.
Oh, thank you. They're Prada. Designer.
Let me ask you about food in the United States, because people from all over the world
Okay, yeah.
say a lot of things about food in the US. Coming from Europe, you know the difference.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
terrible.
No,
It's
don't say
terrible
that.
food here.
It is
Sorry,
not
guys.
terrible. I would
You
say-
guys are great at a lot of things, but food is not one of them.
I agree to disagree. I would say like you can have good food in America. You just have to spend more money.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the thing.
Good
like,
food is
yes.
way more expensive than
Yeah.
in France.
Yeah.
You gotta go to a French restaurant to eat good food in America, right?
I know, right?
No, I don't think it's true. I think America is the melting pot of all the cultures. You can
Yeah.
find pretty much like everything you want. Again, you just have to spend the money for it. Whether it's like you making it or you go to a restaurant, I think it's just about money. Whereas like in Europe, you don't have to spend much to have quality food, you know?
Exactly, and I think America is just like this park right here. We have all the countries in the world, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. What one thing would you recommend to the rest of the world? Because you have this chance right now. Just the one thing you always wanted to say to the rest of the world.
Be nice, be iconic, and slay.
I love it. Thank you guys. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Those guys are fun. French people. And that's exactly what I was talking about. I haven't connected with any Americans yet. A couple of people passed by, I've asked them questions, they ran away, they gave me answers, but this is a European connection. This is what I was actually talking about. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think about the difference in Americans and Europeans or other countries in terms of connecting quickly? Because that was instant connection.